Welcome fellas into this new video of TechSpress. Today let's get started into streaming into Kick. Now Kick, for example, is a great place where it makes it easier to stream nowadays. So what you need to do, of course, is to have an actual account. Okay, I'm going to mute this guy right now. What I'm going to be doing here is to focus into this left section that says sign up, and you want to enter your email as well as your birthday, your username, your passcode, and here to the option that says sign up. In our case, we already have an actual account, so the process is going to be much more faster. Usually what I do is to use exactly the same Gmail account that I currently have in order to have streaming accounts, YouTube and everything working correctly right away. So in my case, for example, here is the element that says tell us a little bit more about you. You can do it so to make this, let's say, to prevent a little bit more unexpected elements. For example, it could be like cake band or whatever. So in this case, let's go for male, let's go for next. Really quick, the country region we're actually based on, and we're all set. Now that we are directly inside, you're going to focus into the upper right corner, which in my case, for example, it has the creator dashboard. So now that we have the new frontier, what we want to be focusing on now is into the account and two-factor authenticator. When you go directly into your settings, you want to make sure that you are now using the two-factor authentication and it's active. Your creator dashboard will finally unlock the actual settings and you're actually good to go. Now for making the actual stream key, what I'm going to be doing here is to try to stream one actual game directly inside Kick to make this process a little bit much more faster. So what I'm going to be doing here is to making two things. You want to click to the profile icon to head to the creation dashboard. As you can see directly inside here is we are now inside the actual creator dashboard. So here's my actual stream preview. As you can see, it says offline. Here's the actual chat. Here's the Steam information. And in my case, what I'm going to be doing here is just to do two things. The first thing to do is to make sure that my game is now being ready for making streaming. So in my case, I'm going to hit for Minecraft. I'm going to go for play. My game will be now appearing directly inside the web. And now that everything is working correctly, I will be using any streamline services to make this process really great, which in my case will be OBS. So OBS is totally for free. You don't have to worry about focusing a lot into what actually works, what doesn't, really easily and simple. So here what I'm going to be doing here is to focus directly inside the, in my case, the element that says file. Into file, I'm going to go for settings. And into settings, I have the streamed element. So here, what I'm going to be doing here is to look out for the option that says custom, right? So let's go back directly inside here, the streamed URL and the keys. This streamed URL should be needing, of course, to be copied and pasted directly into the stream key. Here, what I'm going to be doing here is to make sure that my game is actually working correctly. Just like that, here as you can see, we can now go for the option that says start the streaming. And it actually could be saying connect. So basically what's going to happen here is that when you go for the option that says start streaming, here have the recommended encoding settings. Usually it's going to be 60 frame rate, the output resolution, the rate control, the 2 keyframe interval seconds, and we're actually good to go. Basically what we can do now is to go directly into the option that says stream, just to make sure that our actual stream is actually working. So as you can see, my voice actually sounded directly because we're actually checking out the actual stream services. So what you can do is to just go directly inside, back into your actual game, and you can now start to making some actual games directly inside the Minecraft or whatever you're actually going to be focusing on. And basically now it's going to be appearing directly into the stream section that says the actual Kick. And well, there you go. It's going to be really easily to stream directly into the actual Kick. You can check out more information about how we can actually get started. There is a OBS configuration. I'm going to just close this game just for now. Here we go. The girl is going to be saving, so we're actually good to go. I'm going to be closing this for now. I head back directly inside there, and well, there you go. So for the magic numbers, you can set up your output mode to advanced. You can click allow the higher bitrate that Twitch actually works directly inside there, and we can have stream information going live directly inside there. So we can just pick an actual category if you wanted to change the actual activity fees and all of that. So basically this is how we can actually get started with this kind of elements directly inside there. So with this information, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you well next time.